नो, आज की वीडियो में ना ही कोई फिल्टर की ज़रूरत है और ना कोई एडिटिंग मैजिक की। ये उस झील की कहानी है जो खुद ही इतना मैजिकल है। इसकी पानी के रंग कभी ब्लू के शेड से ग्रीन और फिर लाल में बदल जाता है। Welcome to the 5th episode of Ladakh through my lens, and in this episode we cover Pangong Tso। अब लद्दाख एक ऐसी ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन है कि पैंगोंग लेक तो सबकी बकेट लिस्ट में होती है। Thanks to 3 Idiot movies, we all want to fulfill that dream road trip which ends in Pangong Lake. But let me tell you, that road to Pangong is not for weak-hearted. नुब्रा से निकलने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा था कि कौन सी प्लेनेट में आ गए। बट भाई रोड कहाँ है? अब तक तो ऑफ रोडिंग का धक्का खाते खाते आधी रास्ता पहुंचे। और उसी रास्ते में we found this cafe out of nowhere. I bet you cannot find it in Google. Welcome to Cafe Shayok, right next to the deadly Shayok River, which goes to Pakistan, by the way. Hi. So we have reached Shayok village, and this is the only break and snack stop that we have. There is this cute cafe that we are taking. We have somehow survived so far. So आगे भी survive कर ही लेंगे, I guess. Let's go get some tea. Hi. Okay, there are lots of things written. Oh, nice. And this cafe is run by these 2 cute girls, Sapna and Chusket. So you're from Shayok only? Okay. क्या खिलाओगे?
जो खाएंगे वही।
मैगी? Okay.
चाय को चाय।
They will make you fall in love with their best Maggie and chai. वो जर्मन में लिखा है, उसके नीचे थाई में लिखा है। लद्दाख के लोग वैसे भी बहुत वार्म एंड फ्रेंडली होते हैं। I couldn't decide what was better, the momo or the view right behind the cafe. And look at all those lovely messages written by travelers from across the world. और next time when you going to Ladakh, यहाँ पक्के से चाय और मैगी खा के जाना और अच्छा सा एक मैसेज भी लिख देना। मैगी खा लिया, चाय पी लिया। Yes, करो। और हमारे एवर स्माइलिंग चंबा भाई के साथ काफी सारा फोटो भी खींच लिए। शायक कैफे के बाद एक रास्ता दुर्गुक के लिए निकलता है। The road was quite challenging, but we were counting moments for the view that will be so rewarding.
Yeah, आगे बाइकर हाँ।
Suddenly, a streak of most impossible shade of blue starts to play hide and seek with mountains, and we saw the first glimpse of lake near Lukung village. We made it! Pangong Lake emerged out of nowhere in all its glory. By the time we reached Spangmik village, it was already afternoon. So we decided to head to the lake first before going to our campsite. Thankfully, there was very less tourists. After coming here, I could realize, चाहे कितना भी फोटोज एंड वीडियोस आप सोशल मीडिया में देख लो, as I stand on the shores of this massive lake and watch the quiet waves gently rocking the pebbles, looking at the changing colors of the sky and the water, the mountains beyond and the sky above. I felt I am experiencing something very unusual, something that cannot be of my world. Only when I stood at the edge of Pangong Tso, I realized why this lake is so sacred and so famous. It opens the door to another world. You need to experience it. It was time I decided to keep the camera aside and just sit quietly with Geet and let the time just pass by. By 4 o'clock, temperature drop होने लगा and it was perfect time to head to campsite. And that night, I witnessed the most magical thing that I prayed for. The Milky Way in all its glory right above the lake. Hi guys, so we are at the last leg of our trip and we are at Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake के लिए किसी को तो इंट्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Everybody comes to Ladakh and the main USP is always visiting this lake. We could experience a very bright day without cloud, so it was a beautiful scene near the lake. थोड़ी देर में हम यहाँ से लेक की तरफ निकलेंगे. It was quite a nice experience. यहाँ पे हम कैंप साइट में हैं. We made quite a bit of fellow passenger. Coming to Pangong Lake, it's a surreal kind of experience. I think आप लोग जो भी आए होंगे यहाँ पे उसने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा और जिनको आना है this is at least एक बार तो करनी ही चाहिए. So that's about it. I'll see you on the road. Bye.